Hey guys, it's Chris. Welcome back to Crypto Jag. In this video, we're going to do a live scalp trade on Hyperliquid in this crazy crypto market. In my opinion, Bitcoin acts like it won't. It's very resilient for some reason. I don't get it with a war going on, but we're going to go over to Hyperliquid. We can see if we little scalp trade. But looking at the chart right here on TradingView, to me it looks like it's going to crash. But this market is very, very resilient. The bulls are very, very resilient. And you can see we're at 76,318. So it is 4:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The market has just closed on Wall Street. And we're setting up here. To me, it looks like Bitcoin's fixing to take a dive here. But every time I say that, it comes back and it just, the bulls are just, they're resilient. So let's go over here and see if we can scalp a little trade here on Hyperliquid. So let me come right here, and you can see on the top I'm at the trade tab, and we'll go to Bitcoin here. Now this market is super hard to trade. It is crazy hard to trade just because it's so choppy. And you can see this is the Bitcoin USDC perpetual contract. And perpetual contract is just another way to trade Bitcoin, trading an option which expires. Now here's a coin that moves step by step with Bitcoin, Athena. And you can see right here, looks like it wants to go higher as well. So let's come over here to Hyperliquid. And let's trade ENA. And it's paired USDC, perpetual contract. And let's place a long position. This is a small account, and you can see now this is leverage 10x. If you want to go no leverage, right there, or you can trade spot. That's 1x to 10x leverage. If you want to trade no leverage, you got to put your USDC and you deposit on Hyperliquid on the Arbitrum network or blockchain. You have to move the USDC from leverage trading to spot trading down here on the bottom right. So let's buy a long position on ENA, and we'll just it's about a $500 order. So let's place this order, and we'll buy long. And you can see it's orders you got filled. Now here's one thing you got to remember. Well, it's partially filled. There we go. So 569 bucks roughly. So let's make sure we set our stop loss. Come right here. Now you can do this at the time you're in the order or after. Kind of depends on how fast the market's moving. What do you want to do? This is a market stop loss and take profit. So let's put a take profit at, it's at 11.11422. Let's go take profit at 0.117, $139. See, now that's a good, that's 24%, but we can always adjust it. So stop loss 0.112. You can see that's a little, let's go 1138. That's a $20 stop loss, a 3% move. That's your risk. Your reward is a lot higher, and let's confirm that. 113, and you can see right now we are constant P&L right there. We're minus $9.93, and this moves pretty quick. So I'm going to pause this video. This will be a 10, 15, 20 minute trade, and I'll be right back. Okay, you can see after about 10 minutes, ENA has moved in our favor. So we got a couple of options here. We can do nothing, or we can just ride it out, move our stop loss up a little bit, and lock in a profit. So let's move it up. It's trading 11450. I moved up the stop loss. Now we're guaranteed no losses. I moved it up just above the tree. So that on a reversal now you'll get stopped out, but you won't lose money. With bigger accounts, and leverage, you can make substantial profits that way. So I'm gonna ride this out. We've been in this trade. You can see we got in here at entry price 0.11422, and it's up a little bit. And we've been in this trade, what, 10 minutes? So I'm going to pause the video, either gets out, or as we move up our stop loss and higher profits. Be right back. Okay, we just got stopped out for a 1.6% gain, which for a quick trade, I'll take that all day long. So that's how you use Hyperliquid. All you need, this is a true DEX or decentralized your wallet, and all you got to do is connect it with Coinbase wallet, whatever you use. Just connect it, deposit USDC on the Arbitrum network, and if you instructions right here, I created this little Hyperliquid Blueprint ebook, shows you exactly how to do it. 27 bucks one time. Click that, takes you over to a sales page, and you click one checkout and download it. Bam. But if you have any questions, Chris at rchris4.com. Till next time, bye for now.
That's a wrap for today's crypto deep dive. If you learned something new or you're ready to level up your strategy, don't forget to follow and keep your notifications on so you never miss out on the next market insight. I drop breaking news, on-chain analysis, and real talk about what's really happening in crypto every week. Stay sharp, stay early, and I'll see you in the next one on Crypto Jag Duval.